I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking the device and opening settings to the Security or Biometrics section. This is necessary because biometric changes require authentication. Once there, tap Fingerprints or Fingerprint Management to view enrolled prints. Make sure you use your PIN, passcode, or device password to proceed. This prevents accidental deletions and protects your account. If prompted, authenticate immediately. Once authenticated, you'll see a list of saved fingerprints labeled by number or finger. Now you're ready to remove the unwanted enrollment. You now select the fingerprint entry that corresponds to the enrolled print you want to remove. Identify it by the label or by testing touches. Once selected, tap Remove or Delete, then confirm the action when the confirmation dialog appears. This permanently deletes that biometric template. If the system asks to verify again with your passcode, complete it. Once deletion completes, test unlocking with a different finger or alternate method. If you have multiple entries, repeat the same steps for each unwanted print. To finish, verify that the removed fingerprint no longer unlocks the device and confirm other unlock methods still work. Make sure you can sign in with your PIN or password. If deletion failed, reboot the device and repeat the deletion process. Temporary glitches often clear after a restart. If fingerprints appear corrupted or enrollments won't delete, consider removing all biometrics and re-enrolling fresh templates. This resets the biometric database. One key tip: if problems persist, update the system software before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.